So why are you going on property that is not your own to kill deer?
You're on the wrong crowd.
How old are you?
I'm 38.
You're 38 and you say you're running with the wrong crowd?
Yes, I am.
Bradley Galan showed up to court with the kind of annoyed attitude you'd expect from someone innocent disputing a parking ticket. Not from a man who trespassed onto someone else's property, killed 2 deer, and cut off their heads. When asked why, he chalks it up to running with the wrong crowd, because apparently peer pressure now extends to decapitating wildlife. This isn't high school mischief. It's entitled disturbing behavior disguised as a bad influence. And his body language? Annoyed to even be questioned about it. Wait till you hear what Judge Boyd gives him for punishment. Let's just say I wouldn't want this guy anywhere near my animals.
All right, you're charged with taking certain wildlife without the consent of the owner of the land. That is a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2024 CR 0339. There's to be restitution of $60 to Bexar County Laboratory and cause number 2024 CR 0339. There's to be a TAP evaluation and follow all recommendations. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea? State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for 3 years and there be 120 hours of community service restitution and a TAP evaluation. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Right, Your Honor.
All right, so why do you keep shooting arrows onto a neighbor's property when they've told you they don't want that?
To be honest, Judge, it wasn't my arrows, but I'll take the responsibility for that.
Well, I mean, you don't have to take the responsibilities. If you're saying that you're not the person who killed the deer on their property after they've been complaining about arrows being shot on their property, then you can always go for a jury trial.
No, ma'am. I thought that was a different situation, but no, ma'am. Yeah, it was a target that was like on the fence line. The arrow
Was it your
sometime-
target?
Yes, ma'am. It was on my property. If it went past the target, if we missed it, and it would end up in their field.
How many times do they have to tell you to stop shooting arrows on their property? Why don't you put that target on your house and shoot it towards your own house? Then if you miss, guess what? You'll hit your house.
Yes, ma'am.
So they complain about that. And they complain about people coming on their property to kill deer. That's what we're here for. We're here for you going on property that was not your own, shooting a deer. The warden comes out, finds 2 deers with their heads removed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And they've been shot by arrows.
Yes, ma'am.
And they're saying that's you. And from reading the stipulation, there's sufficient evidence, and that sufficient evidence is beyond a reasonable doubt that it was you.
Yes, ma'am.
So why are you going on property that is not your own to kill deer?
You're on the wrong crowd.
How old are you?
I'm 38.
You're 38 and you say you're running with the wrong crowd?
Yes, I am.
All righty. Court is going to sentence you to $1,000 fine. Taking consideration 2024 CR 0339. There should be restitution of $60 to Bexar County for laboratory testing, and that's the drug case. Do you have any children?
No.
What are their ages?
16. One son.
All right. Does he live with you?
No, ma'am.
All right. 3 years deferred adjudication. There's 120 hours of community service restitution, regular reporting by Zoom in person, regular random UAs. And probation, do they have where he can do community service hours at the animal shelter? All right, the community service hours are to be performed at an animal shelter. And make sure they have cameras. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. TAP evaluation plus follow recommendations. TAP evaluation is to be in custody. Probation, is there anything else? Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Is there anything else you need from the court?
Ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor, going into custody, I'm sorry.
Yes,
If I may, Your Honor, is it necessary for him to be taken into custody for the TAP eval?
Yes.
If he's testing clean?
yes, he's going to be taken into custody for the TAP evaluation.
Mr. Chair. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you.